Continue.
So good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, as this is a GK class, but geography revision was remaining little bit. So we will just continue the geography revision work, and after geography revision work, few questions. Then we will again continue our GK class with lesson number 7 and 8. Okay. So
Yes,
quickly,
ma'am.
a quick revision of geography. Which one of the following? Nobody is going to answer. Just listen to me, and the student I will ask, that student only will answer. Only you have to raise your hands up. Which one of the following is a basic life support system? Which one of the following? Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, environment.
Yes, our environment is the correct answer. Second, which one of the following is created by nature? Yes, Garvit.
Ma'am, mountain, rivers, and trees.
Yes, Garvit, B option is correct here also. Mountains, rivers, and trees. Next question number third. The domain of water means these questions we have already discussed in the class, no? Previous class. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanmay. Nodding the head nicely, Tanmay. Good, very good. Yes. Okay, the domain of water is referred to.
Ma'am, hydrosphere.
No, I will announce the names. Modric. The domain of
Ma'am,
water is.
hydro.
Yes.
Ma'am, hydro.
Okay, third option, third question, A option is correct. Next now, whose turn will be now? Tanmay. Now Tanmay is going to answer. What do plants and animal kingdom make together?
And biosphere.
Yes, A, biosphere is the correct answer. So these questions we have already discussed. Next question. Fifth one. Which one of the following animals is called a ship of the desert? Now another answer. I will give a chance to another student. Dhaval. Yes, Dhaval. Which
Ma'am,
one of the
camel.
camel? Yes, camel. Camel will be the correct option. Fifth done. Now next answer will be given by Nishan. When is World Environment Day celebrated every year? Nishan. World
Ma'am,
Environment Day.
5th June. Ma'am,
Yes,
5th
good.
June D.
Good. 5th June. So this till 6th also we have discussed. Hello, Muskan. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
5th June written. Question number 6, answer D.
Yes,
Written.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Question number 7th. Who interact? Now another Garvit will answer now. Who interact with the environment and modify it according to the needs? Yes, Garvit.
And human beings.
Yes, A option is correct. Human beings. Everybody is able to write down?
Yes, ma'am.
Till which
Ma'am,
question?
can you please again show the first to fourth question again?
Okay, afterwards I will show it to you again. Okay, just will
Okay,
let me
ma'am.
continue first. यहाँ से आप continue कर
Okay,
लीजिए
ma'am.
question 7 से.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, who interact? And first to, I think, how many questions we have discussed in the last class? Previous class?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
till 8 we have done.
Till 8? Okay, no problem. So who interact with the environment and modify according to the needs is the human beings. Now next I will give the chance to Karan. Okay? Now Karan will answer which one of the following is not a threat to the environment.
It's growing population.
Not a threat to environment.
Growing plant.
Growing
please
plant.
Ma'am, growing plant.
Yes, read the question carefully. Not means नहीं है. Threat means डर. Environment को जिससे डर नहीं है, जिससे खतरा नहीं है. That is growing plants. Clear? Now
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Okay, next I will give the chance to Nikita. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, hydrosphere is a part of.
biosphere.
Yes, hydrosphere is a part of biosphere. Correct, everybody? Hydrosphere is a
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of.
Yes, ma'am.
Biosphere.
Tanmay, Nishant. Hydrosphere is a part of.
Biosphere.
Okay, now.
Biosphere.
Okay, fine. Now, next question will be answered by whom? Two main constituents of environment are dash and dash.
Ma'am, can I tell Madhuri?
Okay,
Ma'am, can I tell?
okay. First, Tanmay. Tanmay. Two main constituents of environments are.
A natural.
Of environment.
Tanmay, I'm not able to.
Tell Dhaval.
Wait, wait,
And
wait.
natural and man-made.
Yes. Yes, Modric.
Ma'am, I was telling that. Can I tell?
Hi, yes.
Answer.
Yes, speak out.
Ma'am, natural and man-made. A1.
Okay, Dhaval.
Ma'am, biotic and abiotic.
Tanmay.
Ma'am, natural and man-made.
Yes, good. So the correct answer is natural and man-made, beta. Two main constituents of environment are natural and man-made constituents of environment. Clear? Now dash is the
Ma'am,
hard
1 minute.
top.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
yes,
me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in the test you gave the question, two main constituents of environment are that, ma'am, you told the answer is biotic and abiotic. So, ma'am,
Where?
which answer is correct?
Where?
Ma'am, the holiday homework you gave the fill in the blanks question that two main constituents of environment are dash and dash. So,
So,
ma'am, in that you told biotic and abiotic.
okay. So in that you check this option was given. Which option was
ma'am,
given?
Ma'am, fill in the blanks. Only fill in the blanks.
No option was given that.
No, ma'am, only fill in the blanks. Ma'am, holiday homework.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, in holiday homework.
Okay, in holiday homework. So two constituents of environment are we can say if biotic and abiotic will be given. Biotic and abiotic, but here the option is not there. We can say natural and man-made, two main constituents.
So, ma'am, which answer is the correct? Natural and man-made or biotic and abiotic?
बेटा यहाँ पर नेचुरल एंड मैनमेड लिखा है तो ऑप्शन दिया गया है नेचुरल एंड मैनमेड देन यू विल गिव द नेचुरल एंड मैनमेड इफ ऑप्शन इज गिवन ऑफ बायोटिक एंड नॉन बायोटिक
And then if both are asking, both options are given natural and man-made and biotic and abiotic.
Ma'am,
yes 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 yes
ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, natural and man-made are the part of components of Earth. Ma'am, and ma'am, environment के ma'am जो दो main part है ma'am वो biotic और abiotic है.
बेटा
Natural
कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट अगर आप पिक्चर देखेंगे कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट उसमें नेचुरल और ह्यूमन मेड आया है ना नेचुरल ह्यूमन मेड एंड ह्यूमन यस और नो
yes ma'am.
हाँ तो अगर बायोटिक और एबायोटिक है तो आप बायोटिक और एबायोटिक ही लिखेंगे
ओके मैम
बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक ही लिखना है ठीक है
And ma'am, if both the questions, ma'am, both the options are coming, then both
नहीं
the options are coming.
बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक बेटा बिकॉज टू मेन आई थिंक हियर some mistake by mistake I have written constituents I hope it was components I had to write down by
Yes,
mistake
ma'am.
शायद मैंने हाँ by mistake I had written your constituents
Ma'am, in the holiday homework, which answer you have given the biotic and abiotic, can there also we can do the components?
हाँ अगर कंपोनेंट्स लिखा है तो नहीं कंपोनेंट्स तो नेचुरल मैनमेड के लिए यहाँ पर मैं ऑप्शन ये कह रही हूँ ना यहाँ पर क्या कह रही हूँ मैं नेचुरल एंड मैनमेड तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा आपका वर्ड कंपोनेंट
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ पर मैंने मिस्टेक कर दिया है कि यहाँ पर मैंने कंपोनेंट्स नहीं लिखा है क्लियर बाय मिस्टेक आई रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स
Ma'am, if it is components, then you have to write the biotic and abiotic or natural and man-made. Okay.
वेट लेट मी
Ma'am, shall we continue to the next question?
वेट now okay the main components two main components अब तो नेचुरल मैनमेड हो गया
man-made.
Okay?
Natural and
Ma'am,
हाँ.
if it is asking the constituents, then you have to
हाँ.
write the biotic
Biotic and abiotic. हाँ, yes.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
you understood. Okay? अब आ गया
Thank
समझ
you,
में
ma'am.
आपको? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is 11th. Dash is the hard top layer of the earth.
Ma'am, shall I Nena?
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, lithosphere. Ma'am, lithosphere.
Lithosphere. Yes. Dash modifies the natural environment.
Ma'am, human
Ma'am,
Ma'am, shall I?
Nishant.
हो रहा है ना?
Wait. Nishant.
And human beings.
Yes, human beings. The domain
Ma'am.
of yes. What happened, beta?
Ma'am, 12 and 13 are repeating.
No problem, beta. Repeat the answers also. Repeat the answers. No problem. वही तो देखने के लिए कि how many you are means there in the studies कि आपको ध्यान है कि नहीं कि आपने पहला ऑप्शन क्या लिखा और आप कहीं चेंज तो ना कर देंगे. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just to check that you are means you are knowing or not. Dash modify the natural environment, human beings. Then Tanmay, the domain of water is referred to as? This was-
hydrosphere.
Yes, hydrosphere. This was already given in the previous. Then next year, Praveen, who protect Earth from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun? Praveen? Garvit?
Atmosphere.
Anybody else? Yes,
Ma'am, shall I
Nikita?
Nena?
Yes,
Ma'am, shall
Nana?
I Nena? Ma'am, atmosphere. Ma'am, atmosphere.
Yes, correct option is atmosphere. Now, what is the environment means?
Ma'am, neighborhood.
Yes, Tanmay?
What is environment?
Ma'am, environment.
Modric?
Ma'am, neighborhood.
Neighborhood. Neighborhood?
Yes, ma'am.
Neighborhood बेटा.
Ma'am,
Neighborhood होगा बेटा. Check. Environor or environor as the word indicates itself. Environment.
Environment.
yes, ma'am, environment.
Check. 15th answer. Now check. Wait. Let me see. The meaning is neighborhood. Sorry. Here C will be neighborhood. C option neighborhood will be correct. Okay. What is environment or environment means? It is meaning this neighborhood. C option is correct. Keep your audio off. Disturbance is there. Keep your audio. Lakshita, keep your audio off. Lakshita, keep your audio off. So what is environment or environment means? Neighborhood. Clear? This answer? Next is
Yes,
plant.
ma'am.
This question is again repeated. Plant and animal kingdom together make
Biosphere.
Biosphere.
Ma'am,
biosphere. So which is not a natural ecosystem?
Aquarium, ma'am. Aquarium.
Aquarium. Yes. Next, which is not a component of human environment? Not a component of
Community. Ma'am,
Ma'am, select. Ma'am, selected. Ma'am, land. Ma'am, land.
Ma'am, religion.
not a component. Not a component means जिसमें human beings involved नहीं है. Human beings किसमें community भी human beings की होती है और religion भी human beings का होता है. Land नहीं है. Human beings से नहीं बनती है ऐसे.
Ma'am, land.
हाँ, it is a lithosphere. हाँ? Okay. Now, which is a human-made environment?
Ma'am, growing population. Ma'am, growing population.
मैम आपकी है ना अभी जो वर्क करवा रहे हो वो आप है ना पोर्टल पे डालोगे क्या ये work?
हाँ, स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे लिंक अपलोड कर दूंगी स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे. ठीक है ना? Which is the human-made environment? That is road. Now, 20th, which is the threat to the environment?
Growing population. Ma'am, growing population.
Yes. Now it is showing that which is the threat. Threat means harmful to environment. यहाँ पर word not नहीं है. So it is a threat is growing population.
Population.
Yes. Next is landforms are found only in over continent.
False.
False. Yes. It is under the oceans also, na? Trade in which
Yes,
goods
ma'am.
are exchanged without the use of money is called barter system.
Ma'am, barter system.
True.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
true.
true. Ma'am, true.
Gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
True. Okay. Then no life can exist in biosphere.
Then false.
False.
Then 25th last question of geography. Abiotic environment consists of living organism.
False.
False.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am, false.
25 questions.
25 questions were there. Or we have completed all the, and this will be uploaded on student portal as a revision
Ma'am,
work.
can you please show the first, second, and third quote?
First is which one of the following is the basic life support system?
Environment.
Environment.
Ma'am, environment.
Which one of the following is created by nature? Mountain,
Mountain,
rivers and
rivers,
trees.
and trees.
Which is the domain of water referred to as?
Hydrosphere.
We have one-
Ma'am,
Yes.
hydrosphere.
Yes. Here till third.
Biosphere.
Biosphere.
Then biosphere.
I hope now it is clear.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
25 questions. Ma'am, please show the 21 to 25 questions.
Human beings.
21. Yeah, landforms are found over continents.
Then false.
False. Then trade winds. Sorry, trade in goods are exchanged.
मैम एक बार फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड वाला बताइए तो
Clear?
Ma'am, first, second, third, fourth.
बेटा अभी बताया तो था आपको मैंने. Again and again you are saying the same. Basic life support system. Any doubt in these questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Hydrosphere.
And biosphere.
Biosphere.
मैम
Camel. Then 5th June.
मैम
Growing plants.
Ma'am, green plant. Ma'am, human being.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
human
human
being. Ma'am, human being.
Ma'am, growing plants.
Growing plants.
Growing plants.
Ma'am, biosphere.
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 Ma'am, natural environment.
Ma'am,
Lithosphere.
Ma'am, lithosphere.
Human
Human
being.
being. Human being.
Hydrosphere.
Ma'am, hydrosphere. Ma'am,
Atmosphere.
Ma'am, atmosphere. Atmosphere.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
environment.
aquarium. Neighborhood.
Ma'am,
Neighborhood.
मैम बायोस्फीयर
Ma'am,
Biosphere. Ma'am, desert.
Ma'am, aquarium.
land.
Land.
Ma'am,
Land.
land.
Road.
Ma'am, road. Ma'am, growing
Growing
population.
population.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
false.
Ma'am, true.
False.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false.
False.
Okay, this much now.
Yes, ma'am.
13th वाला दिखाना तो 13 वाला
बेटा.
Ma'am, revision work is done.
Okay, revision work is done.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
revision work is done.
Okay, fine. So now, after revision work,
Ma'am, shall we start GK?
GK, this lesson number 7, this page was done, A and B part.
Yes, ma'am.
A and B part was already done now. Remember or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to which page? The same lesson. C part. I hope you have completed till your former Prime Minister of India. Now
Yes,
C
ma'am.
part
Yes,
fast.
ma'am.
We complete this lesson today. The great Indian novel Shashi Tharoor. So the names of the books and the author is given here. Shashi Tharoor. Done?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. You can mark. Done? Now second, the lost
Yes,
hero.
ma'am.
The lost hero, your O.
Ma'am, Rick Gordon.
Rick Riordan. The
Rick Riordan.
okay. The Tales of Biddle and Bard.
Ma'am, J.K. Rowling. Ma'am, J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling.
Yes. It is given here on H. J.K. Rowling. Now, next, the Fountainhead. Fourth one. The
Ma'am,
Fountainhead.
Ayn Rand.
On F, it is given Ayn Rand.
Ma'am,
Ayn
Ayn Rand.
Rand.
Then fifth, Cain and Abel. Cain and Abel. Jeffrey
Ma'am,
Archer.
Jeffrey Archer.
Ma'am, Jeffrey.
Yes, S पे दिया गया Jeffrey Archer. Then 100 Years of Solitude, or first sixth,
Ma'am,
Interpreter
Jhumpa
of
Lahiri.
Maladies.
Ma'am, Jhumpa Lahiri.
Yes. Sixth, it is given on J.
Ma'am, Jhumpa Lahiri.
Yes, yes, Jhumpa Lahiri. Next, seventh, 100 Years of Solitude. Praveen?
Ma'am, seven.
Praveen? What happened, Praveen?
Ma'am,
Erase this all. Praveen, I think you are not able to follow what I am saying. Erase this, I am telling you. Not to scribble on my screen. Unmute yourself.
हो नहीं रहा है मैम, हो नहीं रहा है।
तो हो नहीं रहा है तो क्यों किया था आपने ऐसा? Just coming here to disturb my class. Now for next time I will not admit you in the class only. जब तक कि आपके पेरेंट्स को मुझसे बात नहीं करेंगे. And I will show the screen also. Now,
Ma'am, please.
Annie
repeat
Frank. Ma'am, Annie Frank.
yes. Next is, wait,
Ma'am,
let me,
please repeat the answer of 3.
third is
Ma'am,
J.K.
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling.
Ma'am, J.K. Rowling.
Yes, J.K. Rowling. Next is seventh, 100 Years of Solitude. Seventh,
Ma'am, Ma'am, Virginia Woolf.
Ma'am, Gabriel.
Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Ma'am, from Parveen, background noise is coming.
Okay. Praveen.
Ma'am, there are two Praveen.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I am Praveen Chaudhary.
Chaudhary and Praveen.
Okay, fine.
मैम हमारी क्लास में तो एक ही प्रवीण है ना.
हाँ, एक ही प्रवीण है.
Ma'am, Praveen is come from 7A.
मैम प्रवीण चौधरी हमारी क्लास में।
My network problem.
Okay, fine now. I have removed Praveen. Seventh is 100 years of solitude. Seventh one is giving here Gabriel Gracia Marquez. Eighth, things fall apart. Eighth one is giving there
मैम
R, Chiwa, R, Chiwa, हाँ, Chinua, HEB, Chinua, HEB. Then ninth, diary of a young girl.
Annie Frank.
Annie
Ma'am,
Frank.
Anne Frank.
Yes.
Ma'am, Anne Frank.
10th, Mrs. Dalloway,
Ma'am, Woolf.
Virginia Woolf.
Virginia Woolf.
Virginia Woolf.
Yes, and Virginia Woolf. Then 11th, from Heaven Lake. These are the names of the authors.
Ma'am,
Vikram
Seth.
Seth. Vikram Seth. Then 12th, The Lord of Rings.
Ma'am, J.R.R. Tolkien.
Tolkien, yes.
Ma'am,
The-
J.R.R. Tolkien.
Okay, 13th, The God of Small Things.
Ma'am, Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy. And then 14th, Murder on the Orient Express. 14th,
Ma'am,
Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. 15th, The Kite Runner. 15th, Khaled Hosseini.
Kali Hosseini.
Ma'am, correct host.
Khaled Hosseini, it is given on deep. Then 16th, Through the Looking Glass.
Ma'am, Lewis Carroll.
Lewis-
Lewis Carroll.
Yes, Lewis Carroll. Yeah. 17, White Mughal.
Ma'am,
Frankly.
William Bramble.
William Dalrymple.
The Short History of Nearly Everything. The Short History of Nearly Bill Bryson.
Bill Bryson.
19, The White Tiger.
Ma'am,
Aravind
Aravind
Desai.
Yes, Aravind Adega. And 20, In Custody.
Ma'am, Anita Desai.
Anita Desai.
Anita Desai. Yes, and last one is, sorry,
21.
21.
21, Pride and Prejudice.
21.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Jane
Jane
Austen.
And Jenny Austen. Yes, Jenny Austen. Then 22, The House of Mr. Viswas.
Ma'am, V.S. Naipaul.
Ma'am,
V.S. Naipaul. Then 23, The Color Purple.
Ma'am, Alice Walker. Ma'am, Alice Walker.
Alice Walker. Then after 23, 24, Jenny Iyer.
Ma'am, Charlotte Bronte.
Charlotte Bronte.
Bronte.
And then 1984, 25th.
मैम जॉर्ज ऑरवेल।
Yes,
जॉर्ज ऑरवेल।
George Orwell.
George Gay.
Ma'am, what is the 24th?
24th is
Ma'am, George.
Charlotte Bronte. Okay.
Ma'am, 25 is George Orwell.
Yes, George Orwell.